Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now. Make sure the headphones have at least 20% charge and are powered off. Once done, remove any paired device connections so they don't interfere. Forget the QC35 in your phone's Bluetooth list if needed. Next, find the power button and the Bluetooth multifunction button on the right ear cup so your hands know where to go. This removes external variables and prepares the internal memory for the reset procedure that follows. Now perform the factory reset. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the LEDs flash. This forces the firmware to clear pairing memory. Release the button when you see the blink pattern, then wait roughly 60 seconds while the headset reboots. Do not interrupt. After the reboot, enter pairing mode by toggling power and holding the Bluetooth button until you hear the voice prompt. This sequence clears settings and readies the QC35 for fresh pairing. Finish by pairing the headphones as a new device from your phone's Bluetooth menu. Choose Bose QC35 and confirm the connection tone. Once paired, install any firmware updates using the Bose Connect app to prevent recurring issues and improve stability. If pairing still fails, perform a full power cycle by draining then recharging the battery and repeat the reset procedure one more time. If problems persist, try resetting with a different phone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.